choosing our Starbucks. How are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
Doing pretty good. What can I get for you?
Can I please have 2 of the Irish cream cold brews grande?
Yes, ma'am. 2 grande Irish cream cold brews.
Yep.
Can I get you guys anything else?
No, that's all.
All right, your total comes to $9.53 at the window.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, $9.53 because we buying one getting one free. Watch this be excluded. I'll be pissed.
Do you need a card?
I have no. I'll pay one. I'll pay on the phone.
Sure.
Yeah.
What you doing?
Vlogging you.
Why are you vlogging me?
Because you're part of it today.
Let me suck my gut in.
You're so stupid.
I said that low because I thought you were recording already.
No, not recording.
Yeah.
Is it? What day is it? Vlogmas. What day is the 5th?
5th.
It's the 5th day?
Yes.
So it is Happy Vlogmas Day
Número
5. So today for Vlogmas we are going to try and I say we because my husband's driving, but it's all about me. What is this called again? The Irish cream cold brew from Starbucks. So it has some chocolate on the top. So cheers, let's try.
Tui.
Not bad.
It's not really bad. It's actually pretty good.
It's not too sweet.
I
like the sweet cream on the top, the vanilla sweet cream. Ooh. And I like the little sippy.
Yes.
Your little pinky up.
Yes, yes.
So we are on our way to Wally World to grab some trash bags, adult things, cups.
Hashtag adulting.
Adulting is kind of like the other day in my, I don't know, you probably didn't watch it, when I was opening the Amazon boxes. And I was really excited because I thought I had ordered stuff and I forgot, and I opened them and it was toilet paper.
Nice.
That sucked. So...
No, the only one I saw was when you were opening up your Toms. Your shoes.
That's not even part of Vlogmas.
Well, I understand it, but that's all I saw.
So you haven't watched any is what you're saying?
No, I have not.
I can't with you right now. Way to be supportive. Alright, so I'll check in later. Maybe we'll do some people in Walmart vlogging, because that's always fun.
Yes.
Yes, I want the...
I like the gingerbread man too.
I do like the gingerbread man. Alright, so we are home from Walmart. I don't think that I actually vlogged a whole lot while I was in Walmart. To be quite honest, I think I got through some of the Christmas stuff and that was it. So I have a bunch of cleaning to do. The house looks... it's a disaster. So we're cleaning. My husband's putting up the Christmas lights outside. He's getting some last minute stuff. He actually did most of it today. So hopefully I'll be able to get some footage of the lights coming on tonight. Well, it's already nighttime. It's 6:50, so when it's pitch black outside. I wanted to try something because I have a brand new air fryer we just bought, and I cooked in it the other night, and one of the pans, let me show you. Like, this has only been used one time, and this I have been scrubbing and scrubbing, and it will not come off. So I have this, and that says that it's gonna work. So we're gonna try it. And I figured, hey, might as well, right? So you do this, and let's see. Oh, may etch or dull delicate surfaces. Okay, no. Rub in the direction, do not use on sterling silver, blah, 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 blah. All right, so let me do some wiping and let's see what happens. All right, I'm gonna see if I can hold. No, probably not gonna work. Ooh, this stuff stinks. I think it's gonna need some more elbow grease. Let's see. So clearly that didn't work. This stuff, you are a lie. That faded it a little bit, but I mean, it's like, how do you get that off? Seriously, we've used this one time. And we made wings, so they weren't even on this. This was just like the pan underneath at the bottom. And it's not like it's been sitting. So, any ideas how to get this off? Let me know. Alright. So one of the main reasons I bought an air fryer was so I could make french fries. I love french fries, so this is my first go. We did wings the other night, which was a success, minus the pan issue. So let's turn her on. All right. See you in about 15 to 20 minutes, I think. Come on.
Step up. Drop. Stop right there for a second.
Okay. Yeah, make sure none of the dogs get out.
Oh, they're running. Come on. There's a step. Right there. Up it.
Kill myself.
Wait a minute. I'm walking you a little bit to the street.
Oh, okay.
There's a Jeep right next to you.
Oi.
You're good. I got you. Right here. I'm guiding you. Straight. You're good. You're
This is
past
like,
you're just open.
this is like the trust challenge.
Open field.
Trying to,
There's a step right here. We're going off the grass.
okay.
What?
What?
This is the back.
Oh no. Okay. Ooh. Oh, it looks so pretty. Oh, I love the camel. Look at him. Oh, and I forgot we had the little soldier guy.
I for that too. I found him in the box.
Oh, it looks so good. Oh, Eva will love the dog. See, we did have snowflakes. I knew it. Oh, I love it. Beautiful. That looks fantastic.
You like it?
Yes, Santa will find us.